the market is coming back down, you understand, but I don't really care. Do you know why I do not care? I know what I'm risking, you understand. If you can, like, if you are good in risk management, there is no anything that you'll be afraid of, you understand. But once your strategy played out, you like, all you need to do is to go in straight, you understand. Okay, how much are we losing now? This is minus $18 already, minus $18. And how much am I risking? So hello guys, this video you're about to watch is my trade from Monday till Friday, you understand. So you have to watch the video from the beginning to the end, you get, because there are a lot of things you are going to learn. How the confirmation before I enter my trade, my strategy, everything, I break it down in each of the trade that I take. So you have to watch the video from the beginning to the end. So thank you, watch the video and drop your comments. I will appreciate that. So yeah, let's dive into the video. Hello guys, today is Monday. I don't want to take unnecessary trade today. Just want to hold it very simple. So I'm taking one scalp on Euro USD. Look at how it look. See how it look like now. See how it look like. See how much I'm risking. See what I'm risking. I'm risking just three pip. You understand? I'm risking just 3 pip on Euro USD, as you can see. 3 pip, which is $19.5. I enter with 0.05, 0.5. You understand? This is it. It has even give up to maybe like 1 to 1 already. It has given almost 1 to 1 already, but I'm still going to hold it. Let me see how far it can go. It's just a quick scalp on Euro USD. Let's see how it will go. Let's see how it will go. I'm not going to take any unnecessary risks today. Just a quick scalp. How much so far? This is it. This is $19. 1 to 1 already. 1 to 1. Then, and some people always say that this account is demo account. I don't always I know they like prove a point too, but let me just show you guys. See the accounts here. This is FundedNext account. You understand? This is FundedNext account. I don't trade demo account. No. I not supposed to prove a point too, because no be anybody business. But I know they trade demo account. Instead of me to trade demo account, I don't pass level of trading demo account. That is just the truth. I'll pass level of trading demo account. That's just the truth. I'm not trading any demo account. This is FundedNext. I have 3 solid FundedNext accounts. I have 25k solid FundedNext account. I have 10k FundedNext account, and I have 5k FundedNext account. Then why will I trade this thing demo account? And I still have a OctaFS account. Just that I know they do video on that one. I don't do video on that one. So I just want to clear you guys that I don't trade demo account. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Then I do live video time to time, so that turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I go live video, any question you have at all, just ask me, then we'll do it together. You understand? That is the reason for my live videos. And that's the reason for my live videos. So let's see how this one is going to play out. If it can be able to give me 1 to 2, I'm going to close it. It went this thing $24 in profit just now, but it's now $15. Let's see how it's going to be. If we go a bit, if it goes down a bit, I'm going to put it on break even, because today is Monday. I don't want to take a trip, but I just decide to take this quick scalp because of my strategy. It play out. That's the reason why I'm taking this quick scalp on Euro USD. So let's see how it's going to play out. Yeah. So this is how 1 to 2 look like. And this is how 1 to 2 look like. You understand? Okay. I'm risking $19, which is 3.9 pip. Let me just say 4 pip. Then I'm targeting 8 pip. You get, I'm targeting 8 pip. Let's see how it goes. I'm targeting 8 pip. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, man. Up. Let's see how it goes. So this is how it's going. This is exactly how it's going. Yep. This is how it's going. It's going very, very okay. This is $28 in profit. And this is $27 in profit now. 30. See, do you see what this market is doing? Very close to my TP, then going up to hit break even. And look at CTP here. CTP. Very, very close to TP, then going up to hit break even. Break even straight. Look at. Very close to TP, then moving up to hit break even. Oh boy. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending when you're seeing this video. Please, if you are seeing this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then there's a quick trade that I take on Euro USD. You understand? Let's see, just see how it's going. You understand? It's just a quick scalp, so see how it's going. All right, this is it. You understand? The first position for up here. This first position, I use one standard lot size. This particular, I use one standard lot size. How much am I risking? I'm risking $50, which is 5 pip. You understand? Then the second position, I use 0.2. You understand? And how much am I risking? I'm risking $11.8. Okay, on the one that I enter with one standard lot size, I'm targeting just 10 pip. You understand? And once it can give me 10 pip, it's $100 and I'll be okay. You understand? And the reason why I enter this particular sale, I not just enter because I want to take a trade. I enter because the market come down, break below this particular support level, go up to clear the high that cause out the break of structure. You understand? It went up to clear this particular high, then trying to take this move to the downside. That's the reason why I want to follow it to the downside and see how it will go. And this is what we are generating so far. This is what we are generating so far. This is a $14-15 in profit. This $14 in profit. But the one that I enter with 0.2 is still 0.8. You guys, so let's see how it goes. $15 in profit already. So that is the reason why I enter. And what I always tell you guys, study market structure. Study market structure. And if there is anything you don't understand on market structure, let me know, because I always do this thing, a live video. You understand? Check my schedule live video. You understand? Always check my live video and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm going live, you be active. Then ask your question so that we'll be doing it together. You understand? I'll be teaching you guys everything I know on the chat. You understand? There's nothing I'm going to hide from you guys. I'll be teaching you guys everything I know on the chat. So don't miss our live video. I'll call it our live video because we are going to rub mind. There's nothing to hide. We are going to rub mind as one family, as one big family. You understand? So don't mix my live video so that you can be able to ask your question live, not that you comment before I reply you. You will be able to ask your question, whatever I'm doing that you are not on, that you don't understand. You ask your question there, I'll answer you. You understand? So don't forget to like and subscribe, then turn on the bell notification so that you not miss any opportunity. So let's see how this particular trade go. Yesterday trade enter after giving, if you see the way it goes, yesterday trade, after giving us close to our TP, it went up to hit break even. You understand? It went up to hit break even, but nevertheless, we have started today. You understand? Let's see how today will go. Yesterday hit break even. Not that I lost, but hit break even. So let's see how today will go. You understand? Let's see how this one will go. So guys, Monday's trade, which is yesterday, stopped me out, and Tuesday's trade have stopped me out already. Uh, Tuesday trade have stopped me out already. You know, like there is not even delay in it. Look at how the chart look like. This is how the chart look like. And not there is no any error that I do here. See my confirmation candlestick. If you look close, see my confirmation candlestick. As you can see, this is bearish engulfing candle. You understand? This is bearish engulfing candle. After the market have take out this particular this thing, consolidation that make the market break below this support level. You understand? And I see engulfing candle before I enter the trade. So the next one open immediately and stop me out. The next one open immediately and stop me out and start going to the upside. So that's it. We'll go again tomorrow. Today is Independence Day, 1st October 2025. I've entered a trade already. You understand? I'll still say this thing in the beginning of today, which is Wednesday. The video: Monday trade, Tuesday trade, Wednesday trade, Thursday trade, Friday trade. I'll combine them together and post it on Saturday. You understand? This is what I'll be doing now. Then maybe if I post any video, maybe if I post any video during the week before Saturday, then it will be an analysis, or we'll go live to discuss live. You tell me your problem, like you ask me question from the chat, I'll answer you. You understand? That's what I'll be doing. I'll be doing live video every, like, I schedule a live video, I think every 8 p.m. You understand, in the evening. So please, if you have any question, come on my live video every 8 p.m. and ask me question, then we'll rub mine together there. You understand? So I entered today's trade on Euro USD also. Yesterday I think it's Euro USD. Yesterday it stopped us out. Day before yesterday, which is Monday, hit break even. But today, let's see how today will go. You understand? I do this analysis since how many days ago? I do the analysis on the live video. Then I do a short analysis before that live video. That short analysis I posted today, Wednesday. You understand? Around 9 something. Not too long ago. You understand? Then the market play out the way I analyze it, then I enter for a sell. You understand? So let's see how today is going to play out. You understand? Let's see how today is going to play out. I put a setup. This is how it look like. Let me just show you guys from the chart direct. Okay, as you can see, this is a setup for up here. This is a sell limit. I put this sell limit here, waiting for the market to come up and tap this particular place before it go to the downside, because if you look closely, this is a bearish engulfing candle, but it's too aggressive. So I see it and I see that it's too aggressive, so I just wait for a retracement, and this is the retracement happen. So it come to like tap on the fair value gap that is created here. Then I enter for a sell using 0.1. But this up here, if the market can be able to reach this particular place, then I'll enter with more bigger lot size, which is 0.5. You get? So let's see how it will go. I just pray it to come up here to pick me, but if it refuse to pick me before it go to the downside, no problem. I'm on the safer side. You understand? This particular one, I'm risking 1-to-1. Targeting 1-to-1. That's what I'm targeting. 1-to-1 is what I'm targeting. So let's see how it goes. Then this particular one is almost 1-to-3. If it can be able to go up to pick me, it will be 1-to-3. You guys. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how today will go. Just as I told you guys, on Monday is break even. Yesterday is stop us out. Today, let me see how today is going to play out. Thank you. So this is how the trade is going so far. You understand? This is how the trade is going so far. And again, before I show you guys, there's something I've been studying, like it's giving me tough time. I want to be doing a live stream from my laptop. This is it. I want to be doing a live stream from my laptop, but I'm trying to connect it to my OBS Studio, but it refused to connect. I've watched tutorial, followed the like they tell me. I've followed the step they like they are showing me and everything. Still on still, it's still not working. I don't just know. I don't just know why. So please, if you can put me through, if you can put me through on this, let me know in the comment section, please. If you can put me through on this, on how to go live using laptop, put me through. I've watched tutorial, but it's still giving me headache. I don't know. I've done everything there. Like I've been watching, follow all the step and the rest. I don't know why it's still not working. I don't know why. Maybe it's just one small thing that is holding me back, but what you don't know is still bigger than you. So I'm still struggling with it. Okay, this is how the trade is going so far. This is how it's going. You understand? As you can see, the market refused to go up to pick me here. And this is the one I use bigger lot size, but it refused to reach that particular area before it's going to the downside. Had it been it pick me, like if we don't reach 1 to 3 now, you understand? 1:3. If we don't reach 1:3, but it refused to reach that particular area, see how close it is to pick me, but it reversed back down. But this is the one I enter using like just 0.1, and this one is going. See this bearish engulfing candle, another bearish engulfing candle here. It's giving me more courage that the market will go down. You understand? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it on break even. I'm going to put it on break even. I'll set break even like this. Then I will just, it's just 1 to 1. That's what I'm trying to get from this particular one, using just smaller time frame, 0.1, smaller lot size, 0.1. But I don't know. So let's see if it will come down to hit take profit, or it will go up to hit break even. It's still, it is what it is. All I know, my analysis is 100% accurate. And there is this analysis I do on AUD. Is it AUD or self? Let me. This particular analysis, Euro AUD. I do it on the live video yesterday, and I told the guy that asked the question, I told him that what I'm seeing here is the market is going to the downside, and where exactly are we going to see a retracement before, like where exactly the market will reach before we see a retracement to the upside, is this particular support level. As you can see, this is the clean and strong support level that the market will come before we see a push to the downside. And moreover, this is daily time frame. You understand? This is daily time frame. Then look at how it's going. Look at how it's going. Like it pushed to the upside. As you can see, this week, this is today candlestick. This week pushed the market to the upside before we are seeing this push now to the downside. Presently is in our entry point. You get, but I'm expecting the market to push down. No how, no how. The market must reach this particular support level before we see any move to the upside. So I do this analysis for the guy yesterday on the live stream. So no matter what, I will still go on live video today. I go on live video every 8 o'clock, so that I'll be rubbing mind with you guys. Ask me a question, I'll answer you direct. Tell me whatever you want me to do for you on the chat, then we'll do it together. That's what I always do now, you guys. That's what I always do now. So let's see how this particular one is going to play out. I'm going to even take a screenshot of it. I'm going to download it. Okay, I've downloaded it. So let's see how it's going to play out. Then let me still wait and see how my trade will go. Let me still wait and see how my trade will go. Yep. So guys, NEPA have done their worst. They have done what they know to do best. but that doesn't stop anything. That cannot stop anything. So the trade have hit TP already. The trade have hit TP already. This is it, as you can see. But this is the main one that I'm supposed to pack profit from. But the market refused to pick me before it went down to the before it goes to the downside. The market refused to pick me. You understand? The market refused to pick me. So I think today is okay. It's not much because I think the market will still reverse up to pick me. Mm. The reason why I enter with 0.1, for my mind, I think the market will still go up to pick me. That's the reason why I enter with 0.1. And if not because I even enter with that, this 0.1 safe, I've missed this trade. You get. So let's see how tomorrow will be. Let's see how tomorrow will be. Yep, stay tuned. Hello guys. Today is the last day of the week for traders. You understand? Friday is the last day for the week for the traders. Except maybe if you want to chill on Saturday and Sunday, then come back again stronger on Monday. You understand? So today I've taken my last trade for the week. You get? I've taken my last trade for the week on which pair? JPUSD. You understand? Currently, I want to even go live on YouTube. You understand? Like because of people who are waiting for me there to do analysis for them, giving them what I'm seeing on this during those London section and the rest. But I want to do this quick this thing video concerning the trade. Me personally, I take before I will go and give them my view on XAUSD, JPUSD, and Euro USD. You understand? Okay. Presently, this is how the trade look like. As you can see, this is how the trade look like. Then what exactly are you seeing? Maybe okay. What exactly are you seeing? The market is coming back down. You understand? But I don't really care. Do you know why I do not care? I know what I'm risking. You understand? If you can if you are good in risk management, there is no anything that you'll be afraid of. You understand? But once your strategy played out, you like all you need to do is to go in straight. You understand? Okay. How much are we losing now? This is minus $18 already, minus $18. And how much am I risking? I'm risking $34. You understand? Which is 11.4 pip. You get. Okay. What is my confirmation before I enter this particular trade, this particular engulfing candle? You understand? This is it. This particular engulfing candle, this is what I use confirm the entry. Then as you can see, the market go up, give another engulfing candle, of which it makes this thing give me more confirmation, that give me more confidence that the market is going to the upside. But what am I seeing? I'm seeing this bearish engulfing candle to the downside, but I don't really care. You understand? Because I know that I'm managing my risk. Once you are managing your risk, there's nothing you'll be afraid of. There's nothing you'll be afraid of if you are managing your risk very, very okay. So one thing you need to know in trading is learn about risk management and market structure. Then you are good to go. With risk management, there is no pressure you cannot handle. There's nothing can even stop you at all. So let's see how it's going to be now. I'm going live on YouTube. You understand? I'm going live on YouTube. I do live during London session and 8 a.m. in the morning and 8 p.m. You understand? I don't mind staying anywhere and do that live video. As you can see, I'm in the show, but I want to go live on YouTube, giving my people who wants to learn from me what they want. You understand? Taking questions from them and analyze the market for them, answer their question and everything. So if you want to join us, turn on the bell notification, subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we go on live video, you'll be notified, or whenever I post any video, you'll be notified. You understand? So see you there. Bring your question. Let's solve it together. Thank you. So this is after the live video. You understand? After the live stream on YouTube, share idea with my people and everything. You understand? Now I'm back to my documentation. It. And during that particular London section view, you understand, with my people on the live stream, I give them the signal also, give them, tell them the direction of the market on JPUSD, XAUSD, and Euro USD. You understand? And I show them the trade I take on JPUSD. You understand? So presently, this is how the trade is going. You understand? This is how the trade is going. As you can see, I've taken partial profit already. You understand? I've taken partial profit, and merely I take the partial profit, the market is reversing back to the downside, but the market is not coming back down this time, anytime soon. You understand? Because of what? Because this is the high, you understand, that caused the breakout of this particular support level. The market is going to this fair value gap to take out this, so that it will take out this particular high before we see a push to the downside. Do you get? So whenever the market comes to this particular fair value gap, will be enter for a sale. I've given them the signal, given them the strategy that they will see, like the pattern they will see before they will take a sell and everything. You understand? From there. So if you want to be part of that particular live stream every 8 a.m. in the morning, try and be part of it. You understand? Then bring your questions so that we'll solve it together, just as I promised. Then this is how this particular one is going. And since I've taken partial profit from this particular resistance level, I'll be expecting the market to go all the way to this particular place. To go all the way to this particular place, take out this particular high, then maybe to this area, then I'll opt it out. You understand? And moreover, we still have we'll have news coming out by 1:30. You understand? High impact news on US dollar. You understand? I don't know how impact is going to have on the chart, but maybe before then I'm going to put it on break even or take it out. You get? So that we'll see what's going to happen. So that's all for now. Let's see how this particular one is going to play out. And just as I always told you guys, if you want to learn anything from me, I'm giving out my idea free of charge on that particular live stream. Bring your questions, let's solve it together. Bring your questions, let's solve it together. Learn my strategy on that particular live video, and on my live video, on my on my video here, I show it, I do everything. So not hiding anything from you guys. See you at the top. Yep. So guys, the trade I take on GBPUSD today, the trade was doing up and down, up and down, up and down. But I thank God I showed this particular trade on my live video when I was doing London section live analysis. You understand? But it played out clean and clear. You get? So I'm going to show you how it looked like, and this is the end of the weekly trade, my whole weekly trade. You understand? And this is how I'm going to do it. I'll be like uploading all the trade I took from Monday, that I will take from Monday till Friday, then I'll upload it on Saturday. You understand? So stay tuned. Anything 12 p.m. Saturday afternoon, I'll post my weekly trade. You understand? So don't skip it. There are lots you are going to learn from inside, and you will not regret subscribing. So subscribe and follow the journey so that we'll go together. You get? So let me go to the screen now and show you how the trade played out, the reason why I opt out, I take partial profit, and I opt the remaining one out. So this is how it look like. As you can see, this is the trade that I take. You understand? I got this entry when the market was around this particular area. You understand? And just as I always tell you guys, this is engulfing candle. Let me expand it so that you see it very clear. This is the engulfing candle that make me to enter this particular trade. And since this particular engulfing candle form from the right place, you have not, like, the market cannot be able to break below the engulfing candle. But that's by the way, that's not the reason why for this particular video. Now I want to show you guys how the market played out before I take partial profit and before I opt everything out totally. And after immediately I opt everything totally, the market still moving to the upside, but I'm not greedy. The one I get is okay for me today. You understand? And this is the end of this particular video, because today is Friday. I don't trade during the weekend. I don't trade crypto. I don't trade indices. I trade only currency pair and commodity, which is XAUSD. You understand? So this is it, and this is what I generate. Mm. This is what I generate. This is my weekly P&L. You understand? This is my weekly P&L. As you can see, commission is too much safe. Commission is too much, but I don't care. Then the total of what I generate so far is $126, of which is very, very okay to me, of which is very, very okay. The total profit I make is $152, but minus commission is like everything now is $126.64. So this is how everything. This is my P&L for the week, and next week Saturday, you are still going to see the whole trade that I take during the week. If you are watching my video, make sure you watch it. Stay tuned. Watch from the beginning to the end. Then, if you want my strategy, if you want the way my strategy work, I want to like pick anything from inside, then watch it closely. Whenever I'm taking any trade, I always analyze what I see before I'm taking that particular trade. So listen carefully to that particular thing that I always say. That is my strategy, and that is what I always use. You understand? So I think this will be the end of the video. And again, the last thing that I'll say is I go live every morning, 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. You understand? 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. 8 a.m. is when I have battery. Like if there is no light and I have battery on my laptop, then 8 p.m. if there is light, you understand? Because this studio here, without light, I cannot do live video. You understand? Because I will need a lot of light to on. You understand? All around before you can even be able to see my face. So anytime there is light, 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. expect a live video from me. By then you can bring in all your questions and I will answer them for you. You understand? And there are a lot of things I'm going to like talk about. You understand? All this market structure, inducement, like a lot of things. You understand? Bring in your question, bring in your questions that particular day. Anytime I go live, and you see that I go live. That is the reason why you need to turn on your bell notification, so that anytime you know you get notified that I am live, bring your question so that we'll solve it together. Solving your question is my number one joy. You understand? It gives me joy. You understand? I'm not going to take anything from you except if you message me privately. If you want one-on-one mentorship, then I'll charge you, and it's not going to be much. You understand? That's just it. It's not going to be much. That's just it. So thank you, and I see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post any video. Bye for now, and I love you all. Thank you. I still need to appreciate you guys. If you watch to this particular end, means you want to grow in trading. Thank you guys for tuning out today. I really appreciate your time and everything. You understand, but most especially, don't miss my live stream, because there are a lot of knowledge you are going to get. I pour out everything, all the experience I've gotten from the forex industry. I pour out everything there. You understand? And by then you have opportunity to ask me question one on one. You understand? So thank you guys, and I see you in my next video. Bye for now.